Welcome back to another video of hard coding. Today I'm going to showcase a modern and fully responsive restaurant website that I built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This website features a sleek and elegant design perfect for any restaurant, cafe, or food business. The homepage includes a beautiful hero section with an eye-catching banner, showcasing the restaurant's ambience and special dishes. The menu section is designed to be user-friendly, displaying food items with images, descriptions, and prices. I've also added smooth scrolling and interactive hover effects to enhance the user experience. For customer engagement, the website includes a reservation form, allowing users to book a table easily. Additionally, there's a testimonial section to highlight customer reviews and feedback. The website is fully responsive, meaning it looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Plus, with JavaScript, I've added interactive elements like a mobile-friendly navigation menu and dynamic animations. If you're interested in this design, you can find the source code and template purchase link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development tutorials.